Here we go, guys. Wow. The big boys. There's the chili pepper. See it? Look at it. You can see it, can't you?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Perfect. What did that say?
Woo!
Ooh! That's the firework company,
That
maybe.
was weak.
It might be the firework company.
Taekwondo.
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 Say the Chinese.
No, that's a form of karate, kind of.
Oh, here we go, guys. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Look at that angle. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. They put the big boys out first. Maybe I'll have a lot of them this year. Remember last year they all at the end?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah. I love it when they shake the whole building.
I don't know if I should put a song on or not, because I won't be able to hear the fireworks going off.
Right.
Maybe not. Wow. Look at those. Where are we, guys? About 100 yards away from on a building. We're about 100 yards away from it. Right, Travis? If that, maybe 50 yards. We are so close.
Well, this is going high.
Wow. Playing the whole angle in here, guys.
We're about 100 yards away.
Yeah. Wow. So I cannot draw my iPad off that, Jay. Very bad. Or 6 stories in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go now. Wow. That's a big boy start here. Wait, guys, some of these will actually shake the building. I'm not kidding. If you see the camera shake, I'm not shaking it. That's seriously the fireworks. Ooh. Wow. I'm trying to wear this huge jacket to get hot up here. Wow. Small one.
Flares.
Yep, flares. These little flares. Just colors are good. I'm surprised if you can see it on here. Look at that. The colors are very good, actually.
Yeah.
Surprised.
Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.
Wow. It's actually really shocking, guys, because usually in February this time of year, we have so much snow, about 6 feet of snow up here. I'm not kidding. It's insane. We used to have shovel paths. This year, you don't have shovel no paths.
50 degrees in February.
Yeah. Wow. Look at this thing. Wow. You used to see a Harvest fireworks, so that'll be in July. They're huge. Going high. Wow. Can you watch that? You can't imagine how much that bridge would be shaking right now, so the people on it waiting there. Missed that.
D, quit holding it down.
Some. 3, 4. Another one. Can we get it? Can't hear it, can you? Julie's talking to you.
She's not talking to us.
Oh, she isn't?
No.
Wow, look at the wheels. Wow, look at those. Look at those.
Yeah.
Look at it. Big blue sky.
Ooh, high one, high one, high one.
Oh, big one.
Sparkle.
Ooh, sparkle. Oh, one with a glitter and tail. 2 ready was. Look at that. Wow. Another big one high up in there. We're about 5 minutes in, show another 5-10 minutes. This video's gonna take forever to upload.
Yeah, just gonna have to be patient.
probably 100% battery.
Look at that.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Yeah. I think actually these are almost better than Hard Press, don't you?
Eh.
I better stay
I like
closer
it
to
when
'em.
there's a.
I like to stay closer to him.
Well, if you hide out in the lighthouse.
Oh. Look at that. Look at him. Here. Oh, two. See two. Purple. Wow. Last year one actually malfunctioned and went off on the bridge. Remember that?
Yeah.
Oh, bird. I run for life, bird. I'm getting them going up. See? Go up. That. Stop. Stop. See?
See that red thing in the sky?
Oh, wow. It's an airplane. And very
Yeah,
good.
that's a drone.
Wow, drone. Wow.
They got a drone up there recording this whole thing.
Wow. They don't even put that on YouTube. We got check that out. They did that. That's gonna be insane. Better hope we don't get. Better we drone don't get shot down. Oh, not good. Wow. Look at that thing.
Woo!
That was like a 36-shot cannon. One of the grand finale for this year. Oh, big one. Way up in the sky. Wow. They got that camera, that drone up there. Look at that. They got two drones. See them? They got two.
Where?
A little bit further down.
No, that's a star. Yeah, not sure if you can see it, guys, but there's a red dot up in the sky.
That's a drone.
And it is a literal drone. That is sweet.
Wow. They're really getting better and better every year now. This is really getting good. 4. Wow. Wow. Very nice.
Yo. Wow. Wow.
This that drone that's getting closer and closer to him, doesn't it?
I don't know.
It's getting higher, maybe.
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh, wow, that's a huge one. Wow.
Woo!
Look at that. I said we were not even 100 yards away from it. This is insane, guys. We were close to it. Close as anybody. Everybody's eye level. Wow. One's grand finale. Let them keep going up. Wow. It's gonna be the grand finale. We'll wait for the big boys in the grand finale to do. You'll see what we're talking about. Where you call them big boys, guys.
Yeah.
You'll see. You'll see. If the camera shakes, I'm not shaking it. That's literally the building shaking. Come on, big boys.
Oh, right in there.
Oh wow! Look at how high that is. Wow.
Sweet, look at that.
2. Oh, that's neat.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like there's like starfish. Looks almost like. See they're waiting down there. Little red dot. Go on 10 minutes here, guys. Of pure fireworks. Two. 5 people. Wow.
Boom, boom.
One. Wow. Just a little bit. There we go. A little lower and adjust for it. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Oh, one higher. Oh, we got both of the camera. Look at that. Both of the camera. Oh, yeah, we have both of the camera again. now they stopped the lower one. So, oh, 5, 6, 7 of them maybe. Wow. As soon as we bring the grand finale, so you got 2 guys now instead of 1. It's getting ready for it. After 10 minutes now.
Oh yeah.
Wow, look at those. Yeah, you're getting ready. They're after. What? See, look. Travis, can you see right there where the guy is?
Yeah.
The fireworks go all the way there. So the guy's on the almost just about halfway, only about halfway. See that? See all the little black things?
Yeah.
That's all the fireworks in. But he's only about halfway done.
Sweet.
Yeah.
You can see the Ryan's about.
I'm glad we have a bunch of apps so I got room for this video, so I'll cut out halfway through it.
I don't see the drone anymore.
Uh-oh.
There it is. I'm not kidding.
There's a drone right there. Guys can't see it though, but oh, I gotta get back to the camera.
Yeah.
Now, but anyways, you couldn't see it, but that was a drone. We're not take our word for it. We're not lying.
Yeah. That is a little drone, and that is so cool.
Yeah.
Because that's the first time that's ever happened at Winterfest fireworks.
You maybe one of the Chili Peppers for us because of her. It's called One so that's their kind of like their mascot basically, a Chili Pepper. So that's a Chili Pepper over there.
It's their mascot. For people who didn't get that.
I think it's the grand finale now. They usually do the Chili Pepper first.
See it moving? Coming back.
Wow. You really can't. Oh, you can see a little dot. See that little, it's hard to see if you can see that little red dot. See that little red dot over there? What you saying? No. No, it's not it. Oh, the drone just missed it. See that?
Yeah.
The grand finale right here, guys. It's the grand finale, most likely. Yep, definitely grand finale. Come on, bring the big boys on.
Woo!
On the big boys.
Show them setting it off at the bridge real quick.
Huh?
Show them setting it off at the bridge real
Look
quick.
at that.
Look at the fire. Look at the fire of all those fireworks going off.
This is the grand finale. You can't hear us now. It's the grand finale. Woo! The big boys.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah, guys.
Look at that.
Wow. Woo! That was not me shaking. That was the building shaking. Wow. Is that it? I think that's it. Yep, that's it, guys.
That's it.
So please check out. He's got a brand new channel coming.
Woo!
Tell us real quick about your new channel coming.
Yeah, I got a new channel. Kind of already touched on it the other day, but it's BMXAM, which is AM, BMXAM 1998.
We just uploaded a video last night, so
yeah, so go there and check it out.
and check out D&D Trick Shots too. We're getting videos on there real soon. It's hard to the winners here, but pretty soon we're getting more videos on that. So yeah, so thanks for watching this great fireworks show here today. So yeah, first I want to get a shot real quick off the edge. I'll let you do it. Don't drop it.
Alright, we're gonna real quickly get a shot of the edge again. You can't really see it, but there's the river. And then down there, we're like extremely high up. So that's sweet.
See you later, guys.
Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.